In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot to summarize or ask questions about a OneDrive file from Windows File Explorer. We'll keep this simple and focused, so you can follow along without any hassle. First, open File Explorer and navigate to your OneDrive folder. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the OneDrive name in the left sidebar and your files show the familiar cloud or checkmark icons. Pick the file you want help with. This can be a document, a PDF, or another supported format stored inside your OneDrive folder. Make sure you're selecting a single file rather than a folder, since the action works on individual files. Now, right-click that file. This brings up the context menu, which is the list of options related to what you clicked. In this menu, look for an entry that mentions Copilot or AI Actions. Depending on your version of Windows, it might appear as Copilot, AI Actions, or something similar. The key idea is that this option connects your selected OneDrive file with AI assistance, so you can quickly understand the contents without opening the file manually. Go ahead and select that Copilot or AI Actions entry. When you do, you'll see options to summarize the file or ask questions about it. Summarize is great when you need a quick overview of what's inside, perfect for long reports, meeting notes, or research PDFs. Ask questions is helpful when you need specific information like key dates, action items, or definitions pulled from the document. The AI reads the file in your OneDrive and responds in plain language, saving you time and clicks. A few tips to make this smoother. This works best with files that are fully synced to OneDrive and not currently locked by another app. If you don't see the Copilot or AI Actions option, it may not be available on your system yet, or the file type might not be supported. Also, the exact label and placement in the menu can vary, so take a moment to scan the options if it's not immediately obvious. That's all there is to it. Right-click a OneDrive file, choose the Copilot or AI Actions entry, and use Summarize or Ask Questions to get what you need fast. It's a simple way to turn your files into answers and save time navigating or opening large documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow in File Explorer with OneDrive and Copilot.